This video will show you how to use the map layer options in QuakeFeed. While viewing the map in QuakeFeed, tap the third button in the bottom row of buttons to open the map settings screen. You will notice that there are several different layers available in QuakeFeed: plate lines, faults, MMI contours, erupting volcanoes, USA wildfires, and hurricanes. I will quickly demonstrate each of these map layers. First, I will turn on the plate lines and faults. And I will also change the base map to gray canvas so that the faults are easier to see. When the map is zoomed out, you will see the tectonic plate lines. And as you zoom in, the faults will appear. The Map Legend button in the top right corner of the map shows you what the different colors for the plate lines and faults mean. Next, I will show you what the Shake Map MMI contours are. And for this, I will switch back to the world imagery. The MMI contours show the shaking intensity. Again, for an explanation of the color coding, refer to the legend. The MMI contours are only available for QuakeFeed Premium subscribers. Now I will show the erupting volcanoes layer. This feature is also available for QuakeFeed Premium subscribers. The erupting volcanoes are displayed on the map with a red triangle symbol. You can tap on a symbol to get more details about the volcano, including a link to the volcano information on the Smithsonian Volcanoes website. Next, I will demonstrate the USA wildfires map layer. You can tap on a wildfire symbol to learn more information about that fire. There are no hurricanes currently happening, so I can't demonstrate this feature, but I will come back and update this video when there are hurricanes and I can show this. Some other options that you have for your map are whether or not to show the blue dot that indicates your location on the map. You can also choose whether you want the map to open zoomed out from your current location or zoomed into your current location. And lastly, you can choose your map style, whether you want to use the markers, the teardrop-shaped markers, or circles. The last thing that I would like to mention is that it was quite a lot of work to integrate all of these map layers with the new streets and world imagery base maps in QuakeFeed. We have tested the app thoroughly. However, it's always possible that a bug could have slipped through. One issue that we are already aware of is that with the world imagery 3D globe, there is a miniature version of the plate lines layer on the poles. This is an issue that we're aware of and we're trying to find a solution for. If you notice any problems, or if you have any feedback or questions for us, please tap the button in the top right corner that looks like a question mark. And then tap Ask to send us an email. We will be sure to get back to you.